Hello everyone. Today we're on Sugarloaf Parkway in Duluth, Georgia, and we're going to show you some pictures of the Westin Hotel located off of Sugarloaf Parkway. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Jinya on YouTube. Simply type in Frank and Jinya. So let's listen in to what Brandon has to tell us.
Hi, my name is Brandon. Welcome to the Westin Atlanta Gwinnett. Hope you guys come and join us sometime.
The Westin at Duluth, Georgia has all of your conferencing needs. It even has upstairs and downstairs for additional space. Once pulling in, you're greeted by helpful staff, including Brandon. And no, that's not my car. I wish. So let's listen in and hear Regina tell us about the pool and the gym.
This is the pool area. It's very pretty. So this is the gym. Absolutely amazing. That's the pool over there. Free weights. I definitely want to come down here. This is nice. Really, really nice.
One of the additional features of the Westin Hotel in Duluth is its upstairs outdoor terrace. And here's an aerial view at about 90 feet in the air. The terrace has 2 jacuzzis, a multitude of lounging areas and seating, and a bar. It even has a live band. You can check with the staff to find out the available times. And if you get hungry, just pull on out of the parking lot, hang a right on Sugarloaf Parkway, and then go down to Jinya Ramon and Noodle Bar. Located at 220 Duluth Highway, this place has amazing food and the staff is really nice. So let's take a look inside with Gina, and we'll meet up with Wayne and Lisa of Summit Video Productions. And we bumped into Wayne and Lisa of Summit Video Productions.
Hi, my name is Brandon. Welcome to the Westin Atlanta Gwinnett. Hope you guys come and join us sometime.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Jinya on YouTube. Just type in Frank and Jinya to get to our YouTube channel. God bless.